सुंदर सी झील यहाँ रामगढ़ की धरा है। सुंदर सी झील यहाँ रामगढ़ की धरा है। करता है सबका स्वागत आज। बढ़ता सजता मेरा गोरखपुर, मैं भी बढ़ी हूँ इसी के साथ।
तूफान में ताश का घर नहीं बनता, रोने से बिगड़ा मुकद्दर नहीं बनता। तूफान में ताश का घर नहीं बनता, रोने से बिगड़ा बिगड़ा मुकद्दर नहीं बनता। हौसला रखो दुनिया जीतने की, एक हार से कोई फकीर और एक जीत से कोई सिकंदर नहीं बनता।
First of all, I belong to Gorakhpur, and Gorakhpur is my birth city. The total area of Gorakhpur is a 3,484.8 square kilometer, and east part of Gorakhpur is situated with the Devariya and Kushinagar. West part is situated with the Sant Kabir Nagar, and the north part is situated with the Maharajganj and Siddharth Nagar, and south part is situated with the Mau, Azamgarh and Ambedkar Park. The Gorakhpur border is also situated with the borders lines also situated with the east part of Nepal, and Gorakhpur city is the ancient city of the Uttar Pradesh. The total population of Gorakhpur 8,17,000 in current 2025, and now it increased from 2024 1.87%. In our Gorakhpur, very large platform present. Platform number 1 is a very large, second world largest platform. And in our Gorakhpur, there are many types historical place are present. That is Chauri Chaura Bagh, Geeta Press Company, and Railway Museum and Magahar. Uh, uh, Chauri Chaura Bagh is a very most historical place, because in this place happened a big incident during non-corporational movement. The non-corporational movement is lead to the Mahatma Gandhi against to the British government, and during this movement 22 British police are died. Then Mahatma Gandhi stopped to the non-corporational movement, and because Mahatma Gandhi did not want to the violence, Mahatma Gandhi also support to the non-violence non-violence movement, and Mahatma Gandhi also called his non-violence person. uh, Second historical place is Geeta Press. Geeta Press is a world largest publisher. Text like Ramayana and Mahabharata always published here. And the third is a railway museum. Museum always included all types activities like slide, swing, and toy train. And in railway museum, theme of train restaurant always present. We can enjoy with variety of the dishes. And in a railway museum, uh, obtain the very ancient period of the railway models and origin to the part of the trains models, to which provide the more knowledge to us. And fourth historical place is a Maghar. Maghar is present in Sant Kabir Nagar district. Maghar name established at the name of the poet uh, poet Kabir Das, and Kabir Das passed away on this place. Hindu built the temple and Muslim built the mazar, and both both religions represent through the message of our unity of country. And in our Gorakhpur, many types of tourist spot are present here. First is a planetarium Taramandal, or second is a Nauka Vihar. Planetarium is also called Nakshatra Sala. The Nakshatra Sala is conduct three times so in the one day, at the 1 p.m., 3 p.m. and 5 p.m. for 45 minutes. By the help of so, we can easily understand to planet and the various knowledge of the science. And second is tourist spot is a Nauka Vihar. Nauka Vihar is a very peaceful.
Now I am going to start about Gorakhpur city. Gorakhpur city is the state Gorakhpur city is the state Indian state of Uttar Pradesh, along with bank of Rapti and Rohini river in the Purvanchal region. It is situated 272 kilometer uh, of the state capital Lucknow, and in Gorakhpur there are many shopping malls are there, such as AD Mall, Orion Mall, and City Cart, etc. At my point of view, Orion Mall is best because uh, that mall is very neat and clean, and that mall is very neat and clean, and their facilities is good, and the things which we want to purchase is so cheap and medium price. And it is the Gorakhpur city is the administrative headquarter of Gorakhpur district, East Northern Railway Zone, and Gorakhpur division. In Gorakhpur there is one place also there, Gita Press. Gita Press is the world's largest publisher of Hindu religious text such as Ramayana and Mahabharat since 1953. Gorakhpur is famous for many reasons. One reason is historical, that is Chauri Chaura incident. Chauri Chaura incident took place in 1922, and Chauri Chaura incident took place because uh, on that time there is one movement is going, that name is non-corporation movement. In this movement, this movement is led by the Gandhiji, and this movement is withdrawn by also Gandhiji. When Gandhiji withdraw this movement, people are so angry, and people people started raise their voices against Mahatma Gandhi, and that's why uh, on that time British police beat some people in the crowd area. Then the people are so angry, and people are so angry, and people burnt down the police station. In this incident, the 22 policemen are dead, and the prisoners are free.